This video, we're going to talk about box and whisker plots. It's a graph, kind of like a bar graph or a line graph, but it only has to do with medians. A median divides a set of data in half. Box and whisker plots, you divide it into quarters. So you find the middle number by crossing off a number on either side. And this has already been done for you to find the median of 25 right here. But then you find the median of just the lower half over here. And you do that by crossing a number off on either side. And you can see I've crossed off two numbers on either side, leaving me with these two numbers, 22 and 24, which has an average of 23. So they say the first quarter of the data, the first quartile, is in fact 23. And then you do the same thing over here. You can see I've crossed off two numbers on either side. I have two medians again, so I take the average of the two medians, which is, you add them together and divide by 2, and you get 58 divided by 2, which is 29. So the third quartile is 29, because you can see my first quarter over here goes up to 23. Then it leads us to the median of 25. Then it leads us to the third quarter of the data, which is the third quartile of 29, and then the last quarter of the data leads us to the greatest value, which brings us to this section. We take some information out of this data. The median, or the minimum, is 18. Here comes a truck. The maximum is 30. The median is 25. The lower quartile is 23. That's the first quarter of the data. The upper quartile is the same as the third quarter of the data, which is 29. And the range tells you the lowest and the highest, and it wants to know what the range is. The range is 18. 30 minus 12 is 18. In the next video, we're going to show you how to construct the box and whisker plot. In this video, we simply showed you how to get information from it.